Tirang ba kajala Conrad ke sangma mtakasngi ka apu pratri risau ajala pesan ula Plie yak blok integrated development complex ha Pynursla blok East Kasihil district ha ka jindong lang sembut tirang ba presiden tensong menteri sokal ba sanbol sulai bat kiwe ha bakran ha kajingelang tirang ba alpen pau ka jingyaro ai ka ofisa ka Pynursla Community and Rural Development Block bat iki paj ba hol ke jingla ban Plie kan ke jing tai ke badon kam na benta ban ai ke jing syakri ke bakam paka ya ki paj ba Conrad laong ba ka jing pen bha ya ke office soka ke ke thong ke bakong san bha ke soka nadu baka essential house name aja kat pra ulaong bagi skim gila ban om kala handai ka thong kalong ban pentikna bagi skim gile ban poi bai sak bat tik tik sya ki paj ba harukom ke babyang bat ke bacanai ulang bagi don gi blok ibat trikam mensyua tang al teli ki kamra bat kani kesuka ga ale bat penbha ki bakhem le hagi lai pho sapos nem mensyua ula pen bena ba baro san produk teli ki blok ha kajela ken yo lut ya ki office ki bapaka bat menta ki don ki badang sna bat ki don ru ki ba Plie ru mtang ba along ba soka ka plut kumbasi spa san phokro bante watangi ka we ki office tmai ru
as political leaders and even as society, and we tell ourselves, I wish I had done that, and you know what, if I'd got another chance, then I will do this. And what we forget is that when we have that moment in our hand, we let it go. And we don't do the things and take the decisions because we are worried or scared that we will not be able to achieve it, or because we are not capable of it, or because somebody tells us that you can't do it. So therefore, I think it's very important in life to be more than what you think you can be, to seize that moment in life where you're getting that opportunity to do something, and because somebody tells you you can't, you give up, but then that motivation should come inside you to tell you that you can. And therefore, once again, thank you so much for singing that wonderful song today. It is very meaningful. It's something that inspires me, and I hope that will inspire each and every one of you present out here today. My dear friends, I don't have much to say, but I will continue with one thought, especially after what our sister has sung. And this takes me back to 2018. And I repeat this many times, but I wish to repeat it today also. And that line is a line from a book which was authored by Shiv Khera, and again one of my favorite books, I should say. And the quote in that book is said that don't do different things, but do things differently. I repeat, you don't have to do different things, but do things differently. It's a very, very meaningful statement, and again a statement that drives a lot of the decision making in our government. First, I told you about that moment when you feel you can't do it, but then you tell yourself that yes, you can do it. A lot of people told us, don't touch the border issue. It's politically very, very hot and it's going to burn you. But we discussed with Deputy CM. And we said that if we don't do it, then nobody is going to do it. We have to try. Because 20 years from now, when we look back, we will regret that when given the opportunity, we didn't do it. Similarly, when I say we do things differently, I'll give you an example of what I mean. That when we have thousands of schemes from Government of India, we don't need to start new schemes. But we just need to make sure that that scheme that we are doing is implemented differently. We have block offices everywhere. We have SDO offices everywhere. It's not that we have to create more offices, But we have to make a system in such a way that the SDO office starts working differently. And when I say differently, I mean more efficiently. And this is the core or the crux of what we do as governance. When we started in 2018, MG and REGS had a utilization of 400 plus crore, less than 500 in 2018. Today, in 2025, the same scheme, not a new scheme, the same scheme of MG and REGS. But today, because we are doing things differently,
Senayap mentakalain kan yain syaduk bom jebut koblai si hajarmu ki paipa bai jong ka Pynursla civil subdivision kaburom kadai jompi
Conrad yang selok pada Secretariat, natu pengalung chairman juga tourism barhadu menta ibawan baik ban perpuar bali yang selok pada na benta berorai skim nanti kibaduk kibasuk kita skim kibala banwan hak mengajubha siki obsar ban Arab yi ilong doktre mon sobha ipelut yang por ibelit ban Arab yang jidon kam jing paiba jauh giha nagathan kublai cumon barara ublai no berku yebi dia nganu pun siam ni kapor marwa ingi hapel elit pan nation